be put
हेलो
under
दोस्तों,
stern
वेलकम टू
test
माय
by the
यूट्यूब
Pakistan
चैनल।
batting
इंडिया और
lineup. Let's see
पाकिस्तान के बीच
how
होने
the
जा रहा है
Pakistan innings
T20 का
goes.
मुकाबला।
Let's join our commentators.
पहला बल्लेबाज पाकिस्तान की तरफ से है।
Right, we're ready for action. First ball coming
इंडिया
up.
T20
Samrat it
मैच
is from round the wicket. Oh, talk about medium
क्या
pace.
जबरदस्त गेंद किया, लेकिन
And what
वाइड
happened
चला
there?
गया।
I hope he's all right. It just slipped. Over number 4
उस्मान
on the
ने
pads. No
बल्ला
ball there.
पकड़ा है।
That will run away for 4.
पहली
See,
दो
just
बॉल,
that's the first delivery off line and pounced on by Usman.
5 रन।
Oh, this is big.
क्या
This is
मस्त
huge.
छक्का मारा है 6 रन के लिए,
It's gone
सीधे
all the way
बाउंड्री
for
के
6.
पार।
That is a great shot.
मस्त।
He was biding his time. I think he was also frustrated.
In the
एक
air,
से
in the
चौका
gap,
मार
and
दिया इस बार
that'll
भी
be 4.
4 रन के लिए
Wayward from
पाकिस्तानी
Nikhil,
बल्लेबाज।
and he has to pay the price. Usman picks up an easy 4 runs. Or are you going to try and hit against the turn towards deep mid wicket? We've got a wideish deep square in place.
क्या
That's
बात
cut
है,
away
एक और
for
चौका
runs. The
इस बार भी
shackles
जा
will
रहे
be broken
सीधे
here.
बाउंड्री के पार
And they
और
will finally get a
चौका।
boundary
4 रन्स।
on the 30th delivery. So it's been 30 balls since they struck a 4. They finally get one. The 50 comes up on the board as
पाकिस्तान
well
का
for Pakistan.
51 रन बन गया।
Oh, that's
got a hold of that.
वाओ, क्या मस्त है, इस बार भी मार दिया चौका सीधे 4 रन के लिए।
It's gone all the way. That is a tremendous strike. There he goes.
एक और
big
चौका,
time.
4
Got a
रन
hold of
फिर
that.
से, बहुत बढ़िया।
It's flying away. It's got wings, and it's another maximum.
Another massive hit by Shahzeb.
Reversing now, all the shots are
लाजवाब
coming
शॉट
through,
है, इस बार भी
and
जा रहा है
it's
सीधे
going to be
बाउंड्री के
heading
पास
to that
4 रन।
boundary. Delight in the camp, and why not?
Yeah, the captain is happy.
पाकिस्तान
Why
के कप्तान
not?
बहुत अच्छे से खेला है, सीधे चौका ही मारता जा रही है। एक और चौका इस बार भी जा रहा है, गेंद छक्का, 6 रन।
Was known more for his batting prowess
ICC
than his bowling capabilities. A young
match.
lad, but I think, yes, you're right. The Pakistan coach would be much happier.
Well, that is Shahzeb 50 of 67
पाकिस्तान
balls.
का टोटल
Struggled a
रन
little bit earlier on, played and missed,
90।
but then I think he's made up for it.
21
Saying,
बॉल।
all right, I'm not going to give you turn to play with.
इस बार
Right,
भी
there
मार
goes
दिया
the slog
चौका
sweep.
सीधे बाउंड्री
And
के
he's picked
पास,
the
4
gap. That
रन।
is very effectively played by
बहुत
Shahzeb.
बढ़िया से खेल रहा है।
Yes, they've got to 100. Remember, in the 24th over that's in progress.
वाओ,
That's found the gap. And
एक्सीलेंट
it'll run
शॉट।
away for 4. Shahzeb finds another boundary.
4 रन।
But it would be more like
एक
the
और
wrong end. But the
चौका इस बार भी
control
जा रहे
is
सीधे
important.
बाउंड्री के पार,
That's a
4
fairly
रन।
friendly full toss put away for 4. He's on 48. He pushes on the leg side. He wants a second here. And he'll come back for 2. This is a very fine knock from Usman, who now reaches his half century. Both openers have got those half centuries, and those boxes have been ticked. They're looking at something
पाकिस्तान का
bigger.
टोटल रन
Into the 28th
132।
over, Pakistan now scoring at close to 5 runs an over, 4.8. Goes
एक और चौका
big,
मार
and
दिया, इस बार
that's
भी
6.
जा रहे सीधे स्टेडियम के
Now
बाहर,
it's
4
very
रन के
clear
लिए।
that the Pakistan openers have a plan here. They're going to go after Inan.
Oh, using
बहुत
his
बढ़िया।
feet, just not quite
एक और
got it in the
चौका, इस
PG
बार भी
part, but
4 रन।
enough
क्या बात है,
flourish in that shot to take it over there.
उस्मान 60 रन बनाया है पूरा पूरी।
In the
इस बार
air,
मार दिया फिर
fielder
से
lining up
चौका की
and
तरफ,
getting.
लेकिन गेंद को
That
पकड़
is
लिया
the
और
breakthrough
आउट हो
they've
गया।
been looking for. It's good thinking from the skipper. He just put that fielder in the deep, enticing the
पाकिस्तानी
batter
बल्लेबाज
to
एक
go
विकेट
for
खो
it,
चुका है।
and he falls for the trap.
Looking to get the gap in good field placement. Look at the fielder 15 yards in from the rope, and it landed straight in his lap, and that was the breakthrough that India needed. Nonetheless, a fantastic hand from Usman Khan provided a
उस्मान
wonderful
खान
start
60
for
रन बना के
Pakistan. He's
आउट हो
gone
चुका
now
है।
for 60, and Pakistan now 160 for 1.
एक और बल्लेबाज आया, इस बार मार दिया
It's up in
सीधे
there. Now
बाउंड्री
there's a
के
fielder
पार
trying to
और
line up
ऊंचा
underneath.
ऊंचा,
Two of them, one's calling
और
for
गेंद
it.
को पकड़ लिया।
One's
बहुत
got it.
बढ़िया।
Batted it away. Wow.
That
2
fist
विकेट।
pump tells you what it
पाकिस्तान का
means. Applause
186
coming
रन
in
और
from
2
the
विकेट।
Pakistan dressing room as well.
running backwards. Very difficult for
एक
him,
और
but he did
चौका।
the good job. He did the leg work. He got
इंडिया
there,
के
got two
कप्तान के
hands,
सीधे
and parried
बॉल
it
हाथ
very,
में
very
कैच कर लिया।
comfortably. This is great teamwork. And India strike again. Harun Rashid batting at number 3. That didn't really work out for Pakistan. Pakistan 2 down for 170.
It goes for it.
इस बार भी जा रहा है सीधे, लग रहा
and
है
he
चौका
connects
जाएगा।
well. High and handsome for 6
एक्सीलेंट
over
छक्का
mid
मार गया,
wicket.
6 रन।
This time around he'll get it. Waited
क्या
for it.
थोड़ा सा
Oh, that
मिस हो गया।
second combination. He
Two
got a bit
runs.
of hand to it, pushed it up for his partner to come through and complete the catch.
It's been a well compiled 100.
Yeah, that is a magical 100 from Shahzaib. What a time, what a game to do it, and what a ground to do it also.
146
One
रन,
for the
2
team, one for his
विकेट,
career.
37 ओवर पाकिस्तान का। एक और चौका
Over the
मार
top,
गया है
over the
सीधे, इस
infield
बार भी
for
बाउंड्री के
four.
पार 4 रन
Riazullah.
के लिए।
Seeing that mid off was up.
मस्त शॉट मारा, क्या बात है।
Played well and played for 4. That's a clever shot from
इंडिया टॉप
Riazullah.
अप जा रहा है 4
He's
रन
worked
के
the
लिए
field
बाउंड्री
there.
के
Third
पार।
man was up, saw the gap.
Knock, a partnership of 71 has come to an end. He's gone for 27, and Pakistan 241
मोहम्मद
for 3.
रहज
They hit
27 रन बना के आउट हो चुका है पाकिस्तान का।
maximum.
233 रन, 2 विकेट।
Well, this man is not holding back anything. That's a 4. That's 1 bounce. He's liking this
क्या
left arm
मस्त
spinner.
शॉट मारा है, चौका, 4 रन।
Now he's
इस बार
asking.
एक विकेट हो चुका है
Yes,
पाकिस्तान।
that's been given. India
पाकिस्तान
gets
का
a
टोटल
consolation
रन
wicket.
241, 3 विकेट।
Just looking to be a bit cheeky, looking to play that
और
little
चौका,
scoop
4
over the
रन के
keeper.
लिए।
And straight away you could see the umpire's finger going up.
Yeah, the shot was on, but the execution could have been better. Riyaz, a hand in.
It's just, oh, this
वाह,
is big, this
क्या
is
मस्त
huge.
शॉट मारा है, सीधे
This lad
बाउंड्री के
can
पार 4
strike.
रन।
And when he strikes this,
चौका,
gets an edge, he's gone.
बहुत
First
बढ़िया
ball.
से खेल रहा है और कैच पकड़ लिया इस बार
Wickets.
इंडिया और
To
पाकिस्तान
Samad.
का।
Well, this is very good
241
bowling.
रन, 4 विकेट।
The drive, the weight didn't
बहुत
come into
बढ़िया
the
से कैच
shot.
पकड़ लिया
The
है
edge was
पाकिस्तानी बल्लेबाज,
pouched.
एक विकेट खो
Nagraj
चुका है।
celebrates. 2 and 2 for him. Wickets is the way back for India in this game. And they've got 2 in this over. Yusuf gone for a duck.
फिर से
and
बल्लेबाजी
Pakistan
करने के लिए
241
जा
for
रहा
4.
है भुट्टा सिंह।
Now, this should be taken.
इस बार
It
सीधे
is.
बाउंड्री के पार 6 मार दिया है 6 रन के
Well, you
लिए।
expect this. Faham ul Haq looking to go over mid-wicket. That was fun.
वाओ, क्या शॉट मार रहा है।
Now, this one, he's managed to clear it. Well, that's been...
That swing was pretty close tight to his body.
फिर से एक
Good
चौका मार
bowling. You
गया
have to
इस
give credit to the
4 रन
bowlers.
के
There
लिए
was no room
बाउंड्री
for
के
that full swing
पार।
of the arm. And Chormale gets the wicket on the last ball of his spell. Faham gone for 4. Pakistan 253 for 5.
अब क्या बात है भाई
That's a
साहब,
shot
इस
with
बार
some
मार दिया इस
timing.
पर
We haven't
गेंद को
seen that
पकड़ना
kind of shot for a
वापस कर
while. They're
दिए।
coming back for 2. This is good
2 रन
running.
नहीं ले पाया।
They get a couple. But they haven't still got a boundary, Faisal. Now,
पाकिस्तान का
It's 150
264 रन, इसमें से
for
5
Shahzaib
विकेट खो
of-
चुका है।
5 fours and 9 sixes, but no boundary now for 29 balls.
Yeah, but this is the moment for Shahzaib.
क्या मस्त चौका मार रहा है 4
Fired
रन
in.
के लिए,
There was a bit
बहुत
of
बढ़िया से।
bounce.
And although he's strong and powerful,
Long time coming. They had to wait for a
अभी
while.
इंडिया की बारी है।
He could do nothing. Just an edge, and he has to walk. Yudajit has got a
इंडिया
wicket
के
and an
कप्तान
important one of the last
बॉल
ball of the
करने के लिए
over.
जा रहा है और पाकिस्तान देखो मार दे एक चौका,
lost his shape once again.
सीधे
Pace
लेन
off.
कैच को पकड़ लिया,
And a
आउट हो
little
चुका है।
feather. Saad Beg batting out of position. Got 4 and Pakistan with
क्या
1 over to go.
जबरदस्त शॉट मारा
274
था,
for 6.
लेकिन हमारे इंडिया के बल्लेबाज कैच को पकड़
A
के
bit
लिए इसको मुंह
differently.
तो
Now this
जवाब
is
दे दिया
huge. This is
पाकिस्तान
more
को।
height than length. This should be taken, I think. Someone underneath it. Yes, good catch.
इस बार भी एक
Really
और
good
कैच
catch.
पकड़ लिया है।
Comfortably.
7 विकेट खो चुका है पाकिस्तान
That
से
is the end of the
और
innings
टोटल
for
रन
Pakistan. Two was
278
quite
इसमें से
stable as he
7
took the
विकेट
catch. And it's the big fish. He was aiming for that big hit again. Once again, pace off.
इस बार भी
And look
मार
at
दिया
how
सीधे
high
जा
it
रहा है
went
बाउंड्री
in
का
the blue
पार फील्डिंग
skies.
चौका
Beautifully judged.
लेकिन
by
कैच को पकड़
Hardik
लिया है इस
Raj,
बार भी
and
आउट हो
he
चुका
took
है
the
क्या
catch.
बात है
India
8
needed that.
विकेट
Shahzeb gone for a wonderful 159 and Pakistan 274 for 7.
फिर से मार दिया है चौका की तरफ जा रहा है 4 रन के
Shahzeb
लिए
for 2, low full toss. The throw is to the batting end, but two completed.
An easy one. That went into the sky. The fielder had to do well, got underneath it.
पाकिस्तान का
181
टोटल
they
रन
close out on.
278
They will be mighty
7
pleased
विकेट
looking at the context of how the game has panned out and how the conditions have panned out. But the stars of the day today have been the Pakistani openers who really batted fantastically, set the foundation.
अब बारी इंडिया
Well,
की
the
तरफ
opening
से
wicket
है
stand between Shahzeb and Usman setting up a big score for Pakistan. 281 for the loss of 7 wickets in their 50 overs. 159 for Shahzeb. A very important innings, paced it beautifully with the opening batsman. The two left-handers really having a huge say in the overall outcome of this batting unit for Pakistan. Usman making 60, the second highest scorer, and then Riazullah contributing handily with 27. Take a look at the bowling card as well. Samarth, the pick of the Indian bowlers in terms of wickets taken, 3 wickets for 45 of his 10. Ayush Matre chipping in very handily with his off spin, 2 for 30 for the part-time off spinner. A wicket apiece for Yudhajit and Chormale.
India will need to get off to a solid start. It's not going to be easy going to that target. Let's see how it goes.
अभी इंडिया बल्लेबाज पकड़ा है देखो पहली बॉल में मार दिया है
The
1
cheer
रन मिला
around from the Pakistani players appreciating. It's not easy to get
सब्र
first
करो
ball on target.
वाह,
it's,
क्या
left
मस्त
handed.
शॉट मारा है
Very
सीधे
nicely.
एक बॉल
Slapped it
चौका
away
4
and
रन
gets the first runs on the board with a boundary. Oh,
एक और चौका मार दिया 4 रन के लिए बाउंड्री के
making the
ऊपर
requisite contact. Despite that, because of that flourish, the ball eventually trickles across for another boundary.
ये फिर से चौका मार दिया क्या बात है चौका ही मारते
Very
जा रहा है
compact.
4 रन के
Got
लिए
behind the line, lovely angle of the bat, perfect contact. Oh, he's thrashed that. Maybe the timing a little
इस बार
alright. That's
सीधे
why
जा
the
रहा है
pace
बाउंड्री
of
के
the bat
पार
not
चला
quite
गया
there.
4 रन के लिए
Oh, just
बहुत
took
बढ़िया
over.
इंडिया 28 रन में 33 बॉल में 28 रन बना
It's
लिया
got the
है
man. What a beautiful delivery. Just
एक
followed the
विकेट खो
ball.
चुका है
Hint of a movement away after pitching. Followed it, got the edge, and it was quite a simple take behind. Big strike. He's looking threatening, but he's got to go.
And look at the length. He actually bowled back of length and drew Ayush Matre into the shot. Really a nothing shot. The feet went nowhere. He's just reaching for the ball.
India
In
का
the
एक
end,
विकेट
edged it
गिर
to the
चुका है
keeper. And Saad Beg making no mistake. The captain, Ayush Matre, has gone for 20. India are now 28 for 1.
Just for
What a lovely shot that is. For the first time, it was in his
एक और
zone.
चौका मार दिया 4 रन
See,
के
this
लिए
is quality
बाउंड्री के
batting.
looking good
पार
for India. Another angle delivery. Another batter who just followed the ball, induced the edge, and the strike again.
Strikes. He bowls from wide of the crease, creates the angle.
क्या मस्त शॉट
And once
मारा है
again,
इन गेंद को
Vaibhav
पकड़ लिया
Suryavanshi
उससे
is just feeling for the ball. He's not up to the pitch of the ball. He's just drawn into that shot, gets the outer edge, and the keeper takes the catch. He's gone for 1. It's now 28 for 2.
इंडिया का 35 रन
Nicely
और
punched.
2 विकेट गिर
Good
चुका है
timing. This should run away to the boundary, I think. Yes, it
बाउंड्री के
does.
पार चला गया
Very
4
good
रन
shot. Lovely
एक और
shot.
चौका मार दे इस बार भी जा रहे 4 रन के लिए
See the
बाउंड्री के
reaction.
पार.
Another one bites the dust. Oh, this is nothing.
On the pads. Nicely
वाओ,
done.
बहुत बढ़िया.
This looks another
क्या
quality
मस्त
player.
शॉट हो रहा है,
Thiru
वो
Siddharth gets a
4
boundary.
रन. बाउंड्री के पार चौका.
This
एक और
is
चौका मार दिया,
down to deep
सीधे
extra
हवा
cover.
में चलते जा रहा है,
Yes,
सीधे
catch
बाउंड्री के
taken.
पार 4 रन के लिए.
India lose another one.
Yeah, that line and length I
India
was
का
talking
51
about.
run,
It
2
was never
wicket.
going to be easy for Indian batters to play him on the sort of pace he has.
That ball was
एक
wide
और
and he was
चौका सीधे जा रहा
fetching
है
that
बाउंड्री के पार.
and just couldn't get everything. Found the man a deep extra cover and look at the delight. And why not?
Saw the opportunity, went aerial
एक और
earlier in the
चौका मार दे,
over.
सीधे
This time it was
बाउंड्री के टॉप कर
on a
दिया.
length and just have
सिट
gone at a
आउट
pitch
हो
a
चुका
little.
है.
Goes big time. That is
इंडिया का
class to do
65
it.
रन,
That
3
is
विकेट.
something that India
चौका मार दिया
desperately needs.
4 रन के लिए.
Gets behind that.
एक और
High.
छक्का
How far
मार
is
देगा,
that going?
6
Three
मार
fielders
दिया है
converging
बाउंड्री
on
के
it.
पार.
None of them are going to
सीधे.
get to it. It's gone over.
क्या मस्त
up
शॉट
in
मारा
there.
इंडिया के
Catch it
बल्लेबाज
is the
ने.
call. Fielder lining up.
और
and not
पाकिस्तान
picking
के
up.
कप्तान बॉल को पकड़
Great
लिया है.
stuff. Usman does very well, enticing Aman to go for the big one. I think he checked his shot, and in the process, he holds up.
इंडिया ने
India have lost
टोटल
their
रन
third
बनाए
wicket.
81, इसमें से
Andre
3
Siddharth
विकेट
out
खो
for
चुका है.
51 for 3.
15 रन बना के आउट हो चुका है एक
Little bit,
बल्लेबाज.
went pretty high, but not far. And the celebrations from Usman will tell you, and he's got a big wicket. Muhammad Aman, the skipper, walks back for 16. India struggling, 81 for 4.
महू अमन ने 16 रन बना के आउट हो चुका है और एक बार
Takes the
मार
aerial
दिया है
route and
छक्का
Nikhil
सीधे
Kumar
बाउंड्री के
connects
पार 6
well,
रन.
connects for 6 over wideish mid wicket. That's a handsome shot.
इंडिया का 88 रन, 4 विकेट. एक और चौका मार दिया सीधे 4 रन
Swept
के
away
लिए
well
बाउंड्री के
meanwhile and
पार.
set for 4.
एक्सीलेंट.
Another excellent shot from Nikhil Kumar. Oh, goes down the ground, goes straight, there's long on, but he won't get there. One bouncer over the ropes for 4.
वाओ,
Shot
क्या
delivery.
शॉट है, इस बार भी मार दिया
He's got it
4
into the
रन
gap.
के लिए चौका.
Will trickle away to the
पार,
boundary.
बहुत
It's an
बढ़िया.
important boundary to end the over.
हमारी इंडिया के बल्लेबाज 129 रन बनाया और 4 विकेट खो चुका है.
It may have enough
चला
leg,
गया
yes
फिर
it
से 4 रन
does.
के लिए बाउंड्री के
What a
पार.
gorgeous
क्या
shot that
बात है.
was.
एक और चौका, लेकिन गेंद को पकड़
When
लिया
the
है.
ball is not there, you want to make amends for the previous delivery. He went, pushed out in front, change of pace from Faham ul Haq.
Was looking to play it away on the onside, looking to work it from the off-stump line. This was clever bowling. Very good bowling by Faham ul Haq. Took pace off the ball, inside edge. And he was looking good, Kiran Chormale, out for 20. And half of the side of India gone for 134. And nudges it and gets a single, and that is his half century. Wonderful innings by Nikhil Kumar. 50 runs of 66 deliveries with 5 fours and 2 sixes. Something for India to cheer about. More runs here, might be 4. Great.
You can see the OUT in red there. Doesn't want to see that, but he has to take the long walk back.
Very good. It's massive. That's into the stands. That's a huge 6 by Nikhil.
Goes and he's stumped. Went for that one, down the wicket. Little bit of grip on the surface. Evaded the bat, and good work from behind by the skipper. And they get a very, very crucial breakthrough.
They made Nikhil play that shot. That there is no problem here. That's a fair delivery. The problem is on the other end. Him down the track. Saad Beg looks certain. He's
Well out. Well out.
Effort, but he cannot stop it. Right, just what India wants at this stage.
Oh, that's big. That inning, but not the right time to lose his wicket. 108 still required. It's 174 for 6.
Got a hold of that. The slug sweep headed for the boundary. Excellent work from Harbunch.
He can bat. He surely can bat.
Got him. As we're appreciating his efforts, it is again Ali who gets paid for his persistence.
Forcing him to drive away from the body, all hands, nicked it to the cap for 8.
Slapped it away. That's going to race away to the boundary. A very, very welcome one for 182 for 7. Oh, God! Just reached for it. Got the part of the bat. Stayed low, but well taken. They're really on the charge. Pakistan are wrapping it up in a hurry.
Again, the length is the key. He's been brilliant with the length. Makes no mistake. He's happy. And why not? He's been brilliant. Another one gone. Samarth Nagraj on the very first delivery. It's 182. Saad Begu makes no mistake and he is happy. And why not?
Harbunch Singh Pangalia gone for 26. It's India. Crash it goes, and it's a super attack. Wow, he grabbed that out of thin air. This is spectacular stuff. They're backing their bowlers with some wonderful fielding and catching.
These are good bowlers. They're not going to let you hit too many deliveries. Wanted to go over. Could not quite get that elevation, and a very good catch by him. Substitute fielder in, getting the catch. Hadi goes back.
A good shot. He's pierced the infield. He's going to get 4. He fluffed the collection on the first attempt when he removed the bails and then collected the ball and uprooted the stump, did Saad Beg. Now the bails are off, so he's got to uproot the 6. Comes down the drum. Oh, he's lofted this and it's gone for another 6. So he's not hanging about. He's saying, I've got to measure the bowling here. Worked away for runs, that'll be 4. Yudhishthir says to his batting partner, Inan, if you can do it, you'd still say 15 and over, you still have an outside chance as a batting side. Oh, there could be a run out here, and there will be. Has he got it on the second attempt, I think? Oh, a welcome boundary for Inan and for India. That's a good shot. Inan is connected well, and that's gone for the bat today. Fell cheaply for just 1, and then with the top order not contributing many, it was left to Nikhil Kumar and Chormale to stitch together a partnership stump, and he's got to uproot the stump before the batter's made his ground. I think that might settle it. That might settle it in favour of the fielding side, and it does. OUT it is. That partnership for the last wicket finally broken, and broken by way of a run out. It was worth 47 runs, but Pakistan win this match by 44 runs versus India, and you can see the joy clearly writ large on those faces. Ayush Mhatre got off to a good start, making 20 of 14 before he fell to Subhan, who came on his first change. Vaibhav Suryavanshi failing to impress with